In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn confirm move on or off here on chess.com, whether you're playing on PC or mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go into your settings first. And once you are inside your settings, make sure you're on this gameplay tab right here and scroll down on this tab until you see the daily games option right here. Go ahead and find confirm move on here and either toggle it on or off depending on your preference. And this change is going to save automatically with this little check mark showing up, showing that it is saved. But that is it. You can back out, go into your games, and you'll be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more chess.com content like this. So we'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide that you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.